EB World.
Hey, listen,
Three stages of life.
there are stages of life that man undergoes in life. There are three stages that man undergoes. They are morning stage, afternoon stage, and night stage. All these stages are very important in human life. Take every stage of your life very serious and take advantage of time in that stage. Think about it. I love you.